All right, this is a quick review of the BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. It says that this is a professional grade carpet cleaning. So this delivers exceptional deep cleaning performance, even rivaling professional services. So I have rugs, 2 rugs here. And I just finished the one pass. This is equipped with a 8-roll XL dirt lifter power brush. So this machine effectively lifts embedded dirt and stains from carpets and rugs. And its powerful suction ensures thorough water extraction, leading to faster drying times. Again, the 1.75 gallon clean water tank allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. So I just did just check the water. As you can see, pretty dirty. So the top section is the dirty water tank. Move the top here. Here's the clean water tank. You can pick up. You open this up to refill the water and put solution in. The one thing I didn't expect was to be this loud. Here's the sound. So loud. If you want professional grade. So I used the other Bissells before, but this is the best carpet cleaner. You can see all the dirty water from the dirty water tank. Again, the big Bissell picks up at least 90% of water puts down, and weight pushes the brush deep into the carpet, gets it really deep down. Again, the machine is pretty heavy on the heavier side, but its robust build contributes to the deep cleaning capabilities. Again, the inclusion of there's also a 9-foot hose with a 6-inch tough stain tool, so it enhances its versatility, so making it suitable for stairs, upholstery, and hard to reach areas. But I haven't used that. Just used it for the rugs that I have. Again, if you're seeking a reliable professional grade carpet cleaner for home use, the Bissell Big Green Professional carpet cleaner is a must-have. It's highly recommended.